It's morning. It's the morning time. Hey, don't wake up, Mom. It's 6 a.m. Okay? If you wake up, Mom, she's gonna take it out on me. Okay? Not you. Okay? How'd you sleep? Do you have any nightmares? This little punk was snoring so bad last night. Him? I had to sleep on the couch. What's going on in my life? Where my dog is sleeping comfy in my room, snoring so loud, I have to go out on the couch. When I'm the one that pays the bills. Hey, Dylan, the guy that pays the bills needs the sleep. Do you understand? Do you understand, buddy? Huh? Do we need to get you one of those sleep apnea breathing machines? Dylan? What do you think? Do we need to send you to a sleep clinic? Because you're snoring? You don't know. You falling back asleep right now?